Hey guys, Claire here, back with a random football pack opening. I'm going to be opening up a 2021 Prism Cello pack, looking for those red, white, and blue cards in the bonus pack. We've got a 2021 Absolute Football pack, looking for a Kaboom card in there, and I've got a Select Hanger pack. Before we get into those, I just wanted to show really quick what I pulled today in my short a little bit earlier. A rookie card of Najee Harris. I'm not sure if this is a gold or a copper, but it is numbered 32 out of 199, and it is a club level. So pretty stoked about that for all the Steelers fans out there. So what we'll do is we'll get started on our Prism Cello pack. Let's see what we got in here. So we'll save the bonus pack for after. All right, we got a Sean Alexander. Fly through the base here. Got a Seth Williams rookie card. Green Perrine. And we've got a break of Zach Wilson rookie card insert. That's pretty cool. And let's see what we got in our bonus pack here. CJ Mosley, Charles Woodson, and a Brian Burns. So not the best pack. I'd say the highlight of this pack is probably this Zach Wilson insert. So we'll put him on a stand there. And let's get into the Absolute Football. Got a Chaz Surratt rookie card. Freiermuth rookie. Gary Brightwell rookie card. Michael Strahan rookie. Molden rookie. Des Fitzpatrick rookie. Nick Bolton rookie. Terrace Marshall Jr. rookie. Joseph rookie. And we got some base here. Nick Chubb. Kenneth Gainwell rookie. Cam Chancellor Heroes. Lamar Jackson Red Zone. Tom Brady base. Dak Prescott. Kyle Long. Derrick Henry. Russell Wilson. Hunter Henry, and that's it. So no Kaboom cards there. Hopefully we get lucky in our Select Hanger pack. All right, I might just put these here. So we got a Calvin Ridley, Terrace Marshall Jr. rookie, Stratford, Jalen Darden rookie. Kylan Hill rookie. Rondale Moore rookie. Carson Wentz. Amon-Ra St. Brown rookie. And a Kenneth Gainwell rookie. Premier level. Just gonna move the die cuts to the back. We'll check those after. We got a Russell Wilson. Jamin Davis rookie. Trey Lance. Premier level. JJ Watt. Tutu Atwell rookie. Josh Palmer rookie. And we got a Zach Wilson rookie. Awesome. Jalen Waddle. Turbocharged. Sweet. And now for our die cuts. The infamous Kellen Mond. That seems to be in every pack. Rookie card. Tua. Concourse. We got a Nick Chubb. Premier and a Tutu Atwell rookie. That one's really nice. Club level. Awesome. So that's going to do it for me, guys. We'll see you on the next one.